towards the center. ह्या ऑब्जेक्टवर जो फोर्स ऑन दिस ऑब्जेक्ट व्हॉट अ फोर्स इट इज टुवर्ड्स द center. Means always when this is revolving in circular orbit, some force is act towards the center. Means that force is seeking towards the center. Okay, and that force is known as centripetal force. Such force is known as centripetal force. Okay, which is towards the center. तो कुठे आहे? तो सेंटरच्या जवळ दिशेला आहे. And therefore this force is known as what we say centripetal force.
Centripetal force.
काय म्हणणार आपण त्या फोर्सला? इट इज अ सेंट्रिपिटल. Next activity. Now here one syringe is there. Syringe माहित आहे ना? That you syringe. Okay. Now see what is the activity. Now taking syringe and tying the one end like this with a thread. That you have to perform this activity yourself at home. तुम्ही स्वतः करायची आहे घरी. Okay, so this is syringe. Now filling this syringe with the water, full of water like this. Okay, here say I fill this syringe full of water. Can you see clearly?
Yes.
Okay, now that syringe with full of water, now it is whirling or it is revolving. Means त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? फिरवतोय तो जोर जोरात. बरोबर आहे? Now see what happened. Now this when rotating, see the water drops are coming outside. दिसताय तुम्हाला इथं?
हो sir.
When it is revolving, that water is coming out of the sea. See here, and on this side here on ground. Okay. As we know, they are rotating in a circular orbit or in a circular path. That the one force is acting on that syringe, which is attracted towards the center. Means because of the centripetal force, the syringe is in the circular orbit. Okay, it is in a circular orbit. But what we feel that the water is filling in that, and that water is flying in the air in a opposite direction. Correct? See what happened. शेवटी काय झालं? That the pistons is coming inside and all water is coming outside. See clearly? Okay.
Sir.
Now here that piston is coming inside the syringe and whole water is coming outside. Now here we apply the force on that syringe only. आपण त्या सिरिंजवर फोर्स अप्लाय केला होता. It is in revolving in the circular orbit. It is circular path. It is revolving in a circular path. But what the water in that, it is coming outside. Okay, means on that water there is one force is also acting, and because of that, it is that water is thrown away from the syringe. आणि त्या सिरिंज मधून ते वॉटर बाहेर फेकलं गेलंय